Hello and welcome. In this particular video, we are going to review the top 5 best electric pressure washers that you can use to clean your home, your garden or your car. So if you are looking to buy an electric pressure washer, watch this video completely. So let's start the video, and before starting, welcome to Reviews Outlook. Do subscribe now and click the bell notification to receive updates of our latest videos. So let's start and let us look at the first one in the list of best electric pressure washer. So the number one is Sanju's electric pressure washer. So this particular pressure washer looks like this. Let's go ahead and review this particular electric pressure washer. So the Sanju electric pressure washer is packed with a 1800 watt and 14.5 ampere motor, which can generate up to 2030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. It is equipped with a dual detergent tank system and can carry and store two different types of detergent simultaneously in its two 9-liter on-board removable detergent tanks. You can conveniently switch between the different detergents with its detergent selection dial as well. The 34-inch extension spray wand and rear wheels provide easy maneuverability and access to hard to reach areas. A 20-foot high pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord is provided with this particular electric pressure washer. So this is one of the best pressure washers that you can buy. So let's go ahead and review the second one in the list. So let's find out which one it is. So the second one is from Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer. So this particular pressure washer looks like this, and let's go ahead and do a review of this particular product. So the Karcher pressure washer can quickly and efficiently clean the patios, driveways, concrete and lawns. It comes with a 2000 psi and 1.4 GPM electric pressure washer with a 25-foot long hose. It is made up of durable and sturdy material which is completely maintenance free and is non-corrosive in nature. It comes with a water-cooled induction motor which is equipped with an on-board detergent tank as well. The durable and strong pressurized hose reel is effective in cleaning of dirt and dust. So let's go to the third one in our list of best electric pressure washer and find out which one it is. So this is from Anovi Reverberry electric pressure washer. So this particular looks like this, and let's go ahead and review this particular pressure washer. So this particular pressure washer is equipped with 30-foot high pressure hose which is quite long enough for you to be able to cover a large surface area while cleaning with it. It is capable of pumping 1.4 gallons of water per minute at a pressure of 2000 psi, which is 30 times more pressure than your garden hose can produce. It comes with a 4 quick connect nozzle tips to vary the pressure according to your needs, which is a very good thing. And among the 4 nozzles, there is a turbo nozzle present which produces a circular spray pattern, and it increases the pressure for cleaning off tougher stains and dirt. So this is overall a very good electric pressure washer. Let's go ahead and find out the number 4th in this list of best pressure washers. So this is from Greenworks pressure washer. So this looks like this, and let's go ahead and review this particular product. A 13 amp induction electric motor is present for high power and performance. The 1950 psi and 1.2 GPM ensures a quick and easy stain removal. The 35-feet power cable and 25-feet long hose is present for better reach while you are cleaning hard to reach areas. The dual integrated soap tanks helps for improved performance, and it comes in a very compact size and also features easy slide wheels, and it can be moved from one place to another because of this good portability. So let's go ahead and find out the last and the fifth one in the list of best electric pressure washer. So this is again from Sanju, but it's the SPX400 electric pressure washer. So this particular pressure washer looks like this, and let's go ahead and do a review of this particular electric pressure washer. So a 14.5 ampere electric motor is provided with this pressure washer for extra power. This particular washer has a pressure of 2030 psi for effective cleaning, and you also get a easy glide wheels which helps in improving the maneuverability and portability. It is very lightweight and is compact in nature, and thus moving it around is very convenient. You also get a sturdily built wheels and practical handles which helps you in its portability. The wand together with the nozzle is very flexible, and this enables you to choose the best angles and pressure distribution while cleaning. Although it is very powerful, but it emits minimum noise and it won't cause too much annoyance or disturbance. So these were the best 5 electric pressure washer that you can buy to clean your home, your garden or your car. So the best price buy link of all these electric pressure washer is given in the description below. You can go there and check this out and select your best electric pressure washer. So if you have any other doubts related to this video, do comment below, so we'll be closing this video here. If you love watching this video, don't forget to like and share this video.